It's another beautiful day. Here we go. We smile with the sunshine. This morning we're trying to put back together this rear end. We've had to do some work on the housing. The front housing was damaged. Some holes in the back. We had to take the diff out and repair those. So we're putting it back together now. We have the chassis on blocks so we can roll the suspension back. So this is what we plan to do today. Here we are. We need to pull the rear end forward a little bit so it can fit under the suspension. And if you notice, we've replaced the old wedge hubs, and we've put the 10 lug hubs onto the lift axle. So we should put the drums on today and get that part ready also. Still have some holes to drill through this bracket, but I would say we're 90% complete on the chassis. So we'll be moving to the drive line and the bodies, and the body will be repaired next and then installed. So that's what we've been doing. I'll let you know at the end of the day what we've accomplished.